3-story research indicates this vehicle as certified pre-owned, low miles, and a good deal, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2017 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, wheel covers, front disc rear drum brakes, FWD, remote trunk release. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
We know that the idea of buying a used Toyota is attractive to you. After all, getting a high-quality, low-mileage Toyota at a great price is a smart move. That's why we created the Toyota Certified Used Program. It's the smart choice.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.